Diet juices can significantly aid in fat burning. Here are 4 such juices with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, the cream of the crop. Let's dive into the benefits and preparation of our featured green juice. A powerhouse blend that can elevate your health and support your weight loss journey. The key ingredients in this vibrant juice include kale, spinach, cucumber, and green apple. Kale and spinach are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, while cucumber adds hydration and a refreshing taste. The green apple not only sweetens the mix, but also provides a dose of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. One of the standout benefits of this green juice is its high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to manage cravings. Additionally, the detoxifying properties of these ingredients work together to cleanse your body, flushing out toxins and promoting overall wellness. Incorporating this green juice into your daily routine can be a game changer in your weight loss efforts. It's not just a delicious way to consume your greens, it's also a fantastic method to boost your nutrient intake without added sugars or unhealthy additives. So why not blend up a batch today? Embrace the vibrant flavors and health benefits of this green juice and watch as it enhances your journey towards a healthier, slimmer you. Let's explore the remarkable nutritional advantages of beetroot juice, a vibrant drink that can significantly enhance your health and fitness journey. The primary ingredients in this energizing juice are beetroots, carrots, and ginger. Beetroots are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and several B vitamins, while carrots contribute beta-carotene and additional antioxidants. Ginger adds a zesty kick and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. One of the standout benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to improve blood flow thanks to its high nitrate content. When consumed, nitrates convert to nitric oxide in the body, which helps dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation. This improved blood flow can lead to better oxygen delivery during workouts, ultimately enhancing performance and endurance. Additionally, beetroot juice is a fantastic ally for overall health and weight management. Its low-calorie count, combined with high fiber content, makes it a filling option that can help curb hunger and support weight loss efforts. Regularly incorporating beetroot juice into your diet can also promote heart health and lower blood pressure, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their well-being. So consider adding this nutrient-rich juice to your routine and experience the benefits it has to offer for both your health and fitness goals. Let's introduce the refreshing pineapple juice, a delightful beverage that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also offers numerous health benefits. The primary ingredients in this invigorating juice are fresh pineapple and chia seeds. Pineapple is a tropical fruit known for its sweet and tangy flavor, packed with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Together, these ingredients create a deliciously refreshing drink that can aid in digestion and support weight loss efforts. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to digest food efficiently. The high fiber content from chia seeds promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Encouraging viewers to enjoy this pineapple juice as a tasty, healthy option is essential, as it serves as a perfect addition to any wellness routine. Whether enjoyed as a morning boost or a post-workout refreshment, this juice not only satisfies your thirst, but also nourishes your body. So, blend up some pineapple juice with chia seeds and savor the deliciousness while reaping the health benefits. Let's present the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a unique powdered supplement that has gained popularity for its remarkable health benefits. Originating from a blend of carefully selected ingredients, this juice is designed to support weight management and overall wellness. The formulation combines potent superfoods and natural extracts that work synergistically to enhance your body's metabolic processes. One of the standout qualities of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is its ability to boost metabolism, which is crucial for effective fat burning. By increasing metabolic rate, this supplement helps your body convert food into energy more efficiently, making it easier to shed unwanted pounds. Additionally, the ingredients in this juice are known for their detoxifying properties, helping to cleanse the body of toxins that can hinder weight loss efforts. Encouraging viewers to explore Ikaria Lean Belly Juice as part of a healthier lifestyle is essential, as it offers a convenient and effective way to support your wellness goals. Whether you're looking to jumpstart your weight loss journey or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating this juice into your daily routine can be a game changer. So, consider giving ARA Lean Belly Juice a try and experience the benefits it can bring to your health and fitness journey. In summary, we've explored the incredible benefits of 4 diet juices that can aid in fat burning and enhance overall wellness. First, we discussed the refreshing green juice packed with kale, spinach, cucumber, and green apple, which supports digestion and detoxification. Next, we highlighted the nutritional advantages of beetroot juice, known for improving blood flow and enhancing workout performance thanks to its powerful ingredients like beetroots, carrots, and ginger. We also introduced the delicious pineapple juice, enriched with chia seeds, which aids digestion and promotes weight loss while providing a tasty treat. Lastly, we presented the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a unique powdered supplement that boosts metabolism and supports your weight management journey. Each of these juices offers a delightful way to nourish your body while working towards your health goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Additionally, we invite you to explore more of our videos related to health and wellness, where you can discover even more tips and recipes to enhance your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a healthier you.